adwumani chemo Achimota Circuit Court ho ena aba beto dwase wamo ama NPP Youth Activist bako Mohammed Zuka yamani beli ya dani triswa yesika botrenom aye 100,000 cedis na yese sureties no so eye mienu ye wasana kachini muanu omo efri na kane National Secretary de ma NPP amanyo kuonom na wane mpanimfo bebre ya adoyafo eka ho ene wo de wo mani kiremo Achimota Circuit Court ho na wo mokwa akope beli de amayewura Mohammed Zuka na Mohammed Zuka yi de enti omde na kwa akogina mo ewo court mu no ene se yese wo kotro nsem bi efa mampani abedi ekire maame eye Jane ho a ne nyina no mhunu se eyo rodo radansem ene nti bre okruche nsem no ewo abefu tantafidie so no ena National Investigations Bureau for Ekotebre no na nsechire na enumo no ena omo kiremu se na eni se woyeye yesa niema nanso ekitaifo no bi nso susu se se binsem ni bi wo ho a ye betwero de nanso omo hu ne se sa dwodwo ene mache no bede ne kwa akotum ni nyina no ya ne hu nhia ema ensem bi yenti wo mo nsem ne bi lawyer for
We shall win. Nobody will be arrested. Madam, from the media. Thank you. And I say you can take video without the consent of Omo at all. Madam. What I say, rest well. What I think about committee? Rest well, Vice President. What is your offense?
But they say you put emojis and crying emojis.
The facts don't support the charge. Period.
How was your client treated while in the custody of the NIB?
Very humane. Very humane. I mean, they were very civil, very humane, very professional. Let's commend them.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Thank you very much. So.
Mono and National Youth Organizer Edema NPP Amanyoko Mustafa Salim Wakasana wadia to just say e was a wobia ya hwe pa free say NDC aban we ni de wo ye ya no one wa wie kura ne sa eni ntino obi bia wo twero ne makruchi nsem titru efa aban ho se de tie bia no ya na wa ya hwe yi
court access omudinukre mama ni bail and we charge bail conditions ni na we meet them and as to whether they are good or not is a matter of own personal judgment. Leave people's morality to them. And fear won't trust her, but obiani senya otinya nasi and senya otro me hey I can send you me meeting and you're the same way in our old chassis and some person intro idea and what I mean by it might be different from how you mean by it. And Abranche, like I said, he means no malice. One kind of boniso say rest well. On my way at here and on my catcher and say your vice president no home fan. What I say and my papa I say oh and you are home, rest well and come back and save your state. And no, and now say you who patapa and you know national security, sorry, and this is for yakochi abrantie na waste of resources we
hello
find about that waste of resources state resources
obeka say freedom of speech and right of speech no aban we
so they are trampling upon the all the principles of freedom of speech to say on my way obeka say na usuro because we need to next time we national security agency now no show a free fa just because of Kasentia we cannot continue to live in such a repressive system, in such a repressive state. Rather than Kufuado, the coming of John Mahama, the second independence of Ghana, and Kufuado, because of Bumrah, he knows the value of rule of law, that these people have no idea, no clue of with what we are seeing. But by the grace of God, we are not intimidated. We are not intimidated at all. And yeah, ma obi intimidating that and the NC.
Opani ya National Youth Organizer no wechire mo se bokofo na de abani no ya mo bekọ akwhwe masomdwe de ahim ho na mo siesie na mabru na nya bibia ya na mo nya no e na mo tete ha na obi kokochiro rest in peace ya na ye kwa akwachire no na numo no na kane National Secretary de ma NPP amanyoko no Yera John Boadru wono so de ato NIB fo no enimo ene bamboagye de tuku aka ne se wo munyai eyo tom NPP for brand de mo ye said de mo dwodwo wo mo tete wo mo no enya de se ebefa mfaso bia e de aba
but also bisa of invite to e wo kware papa so entumi mba ne so memu ha na who was suspicion about bia ye bibia na mo hihye max nkofo yakọ wie omo bebre and Roberts attacking nkofo bebre omo share max eventually turned out say they are not from national security, they are not from the police, they are not from anywhere. And no na ka say dia enye mo start intim for jo amewu ni kofo bebre koya ye ka mu ntie media for mo so mfa ma no entum gonye sa mo wo ho ma na fe mo wo ha na nkofo ahye max aba mo ba jiso mo bibie na abewia mo ne manyina wo ho abekumu wo ho abrante ba akwa me ni hia ha also kof yi ne ka obese na police for ne kofo hye max aba akosto no eje ne ka eje ne niema yedi ti de ye no ni nkofo system a nka ne ka ne sanka eventually turns out say na ye nsoma nkofo no eno na ye ka so obi achiro bibia as for that it is with the courts omfa nsema say de ka wa haya wa wo ha say we nya asema we say de ba court we asema nka also friends masa ye ochiro ide na menti ase na say na nka ye wie. But they to intimidate our people. Nobody is going to be intimidated and cowed as a result of.
Thank you, General.
I know there's someone you may have and any some if it's on Memuhano, one share now, Bemwa. When now Bemba will lose elections, Abra, opposition in Ukraine. Sana na. A friend say a colonial master. They thought that they were safe. They thought that what? Just a protest. Say go for a war. Abba almost pay in the Emma and Koye. Almost representative petition. No more shoot to 1948 route. And when the lead yarn and Yankupo are doing a day independence. Sana be by almost year VAT. And so that led to the downfall of the government. It is almost finished they are only helping us to re-energize our party and mobilize. May I advise you, say Omunjai, Obia preventing anybody say Obia a bibi na and farm rakwanso and Nemrani bra. Way to invite them, but they should do so in accordance with the law. And one on judge, Judge no tea and some no. Who's a some way I'm with the bar hey. And go ask the crown also and yashi.
Well, I get it on the 12th of May.
And send the Abani saying though, send this up watching a cry in the first place. It's in our share. Judge ne catch there. Bien I near and I be near now to honest say. Who saw something but beyond my clear 2 clear days notice through him or his lawyers. Sanam ran a city. Now I'm sorry, I want to go to you. I don't. Yama power say resetting whatever now can say father resetting I don't think that it is proper. It creates unnecessary tension. Omemu ha niama ekoso ya to electricity mu ya to water bill mu go for school fees first and na free. This time omu to meet ya bokunto kwa ye hia police we no oma koye niama bebre wo ho nya niama nkitikiti we na e wo say dey high.
Enti na che se yewra John Buadu dia wo ka ne se de hu hia na wo se mo ye no chen se obi kotwera asem ketewa bi efa mo ho a na mo kire woro pa.
We are grateful to the court. Sense has prevailed, and we say thank you to the court. And it virtually vindicates our position that this is a moot case and doesn't warrant the kind of shenanigans we are seeing here. And I'm happy that the law is coming to play. Ghana is a country of laws, not the political interest of men. And we are happy that our brother has been granted bail. We'll get to the conclusion of the case. But we are
isn't the NIB just doing their work? I mean, somebody post a post that they think that he's saying that the heat is there. What the heat is not there.
He never said so. He never said so. There's nowhere in the post that he said she was dead. Nowhere.
He says
the government.
He says rest well with the laughing emoji.
No.
With crying emoji.
Of course. If someone is not well, you want to laugh about it. You cannot laugh about it. This is our vice president. All of us as a country, our vice president. The government communicates to us that she's not well, and a citizen says rest well. And mind you, the government communications person himself told us that she's going to UK to seek further medical attention and rest. Now someone says rest well, then it's a problem.
Well, at the time he said,
I mean, all of us as citizens are interested in what happens to our topmost officials. So to the extent that the person is not well and it is communicated to us and we sympathize with the person, I don't think the state should bring down its coercive powers in the manner that it did. And I've said time without number. There are so many ways of killing a cat. Okay? This whole show is unwarranted. Assuming you had invited the young man to say, oh, your post, what does it mean? In a decent manner. Not when he had gone to seek medical attention for himself, they go and pick him up from the hospital.
Oh, he was picked up from the hospital?
Yes. He was kept for 2 nights.
Which is within the 48-hour rule that the 19th Constitution allows.
Look, there are serious crises in this country. Galamsey learners, armed people. Go to Boku today. Look at what is going on. That's where we need security to go and give us a reprieve. Not taunting innocent people. An unarmed person going to seek medical attention. The only thing the state can do is to go and pick him up. Then armed people who are roaming around, nobody does anything about it. What kind of a state is that? And when you do that, it looks political.
He's been granted